No one stop! You have kids! You have kids! Ah! He asked for me to be arrested. No, we are. So what's this?
So this is considered a domestic?
Teenagers can make mistakes, but some cross the line into outright chaos. And when they do, the law steps in. From shocking outbursts to unthinkable actions against their own families, these moments reveal what happens when reckless teens push too far and face the consequences.
You're not going to leave right now. Not yet. We're going to talk to you. Okay, stop and walk past them.
I'm trying to go this way.
In today's video, we uncover the dramatic moments when evil teens realize they've been arrested. This incident revolves around an 18-year-old female. On February 27, 2024, in Findlay, Ohio, officers were called after a girl decided to vape inside her home. Her mother, disapproving of this behavior, informed her daughter that she needed to stop. In response, the daughter lashed out and attacked her. The officers rushed to the location to investigate the situation. When a person is addicted to something harmful, they may fail to comprehend what is appropriate or inappropriate for them. At that moment, they are potentially engaging in actions that cause suffering for their loved ones. In such situations, the police gather initial information about suspects before proceeding with the remaining legal steps.
What's going on?
We suspect our 18-year-old is having some problems.
What kind of substance? Like illegal ones?
Marijuana was involved last night. We found a weed pen. There has been liquor that has come up missing from our liquor cabinet. We don't know if that's recently or not. They're currently on I'm sorry?
Boy or girl?
Assigned female at birth, currently gender fluid.
Okay.
Non-binary.
Okay.
Goes by they, them. Their name is... Yes.
Okay.
Gentlemen?
Get in there, player.
What do we got? So you're trying to take them to the hospital because we suspect that there's issues going on, and then they flipped out, and we are trying to get them out of the house. We can't, and we called you.
You said a female at birth?
Assigned female at birth, and non-binary goes by they, them. Name is... Yeah. Okay, I see. Alright, let's go in and try and talk. They didn't say anything like they were hurt themselves or anything like that. And they did last night, which prompted us to lock up any now. Let's go in and calm down, because my wife is Beverly and Hank's wife's holding her down.
Stop. Oh my gosh, I'm not sure what happened. We think that they're on something, but we don't know what it is.
You're not going to leave right now. Not yet. We're doing it.
No, I'm trying to let you guys leave.
We're going to talk to you. Okay. Stop trying to walk past them.
I'm trying to go this way.
Okay. Here, step in here. We're going to talk. We're going to talk real quick. Just sit down.
Thank you.
Okay. Here, let's hit the light. Is there a light in here? That doesn't do anything. Alright.
What's your name?
My name is my last name is
Okay, what's all going on?
I did something
You smoke weed?
a while ago, but my mom is trying to kick me out. I haven't.
About how long did you smoke the weed? Over the weekend? Is that why you're acting like this right now? Like what?
No, we've been fighting for 2 days.
Why are you fighting?
Because she saw a weed pen in the house that was empty.
Okay.
I'm just trying to... She won't let me leave, but she wants me out. She doesn't want me to smoke weed in the house, which is fine. It was an empty pen. I can show you.
What? At the end of the day, you are living under their...
I understand, and that's...
You understand?
That's what I told them.
Is that why you're like you're screaming and then?
No.
Why are we screaming and throwing a fit and arguing with your parents today?
I'm so sorry. And this happened yesterday. And they said that they would keep me in the house if I talked to them, but they haven't talked to me, and I haven't talked to them, and I'm in.
Okay.
And they said I can can either get off. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm on life. And I don't like drinking alcohol.
Have you drank today?
No.
You haven't?
No, sir.
Have you smoked any weed today?
In the morning.
In the morning?
To go to sleep. I'll do anything that you guys out of time. I'm sorry.
And at the same time, mentioning all this, we can't be arguing with our parents.
I understand, sir. I can go to the hospital if you...
Are they doing everything they are as parents? Are they feeding you, putting clothes on you?
Yeah.
So, what, like, I just don't understand the reasoning. Like, I understand, like, yeah, I can understand where you're coming from, but at the same time, you have to understand where they're coming from. They don't want you smoking weed, especially in their house. And it sounds like they found dab pens more than once.
Yes, sir.
At a particular juncture, the police concluded their procedures. Subsequently, after adhering to all formalities, the officers proceeded to take lawful action against the suspect.
You were throwing, scratching, kicking, you even pulled mom in at some point, remember any of that?
Oh God, I wasn't trying to hurt her in any way. I wasn't trying.
I mean, what's questioning to me is, it doesn't sound like it was just, they were trying to get you to go to the hospital, and then the points you grab things, throw, and then she's saying that you'd even pull her in and start hitting her.
No, absolutely not, sir. I wasn't hitting my mother.
She does have some scratches on her too.
No, but she was also going at me. I wasn't trying to.
Okay, well, I mean, when we rolled up, you're the one screaming and yelling, and they're trying to get control of you. So that's what I can see clear from as we were rolling up. So, unfortunately, the state does not give us a whole bunch of leeway with situations like this involving household and family members. It falls under the domestic violence statute. We don't have a whole lot of leeway as far as what we can do with that. So this time we do need you to stand up. So we're not trying to freak you out. We're just trying to work with us.
Turn around for me. Can you turn around for me? Put your hands behind your back.
This time you want to be placed into custody for domestic violence. This does not mean that you're convicted of anything. It's just an initial charge. You'll probably see a judge at some point. Tomorrow morning, and they'll explain more stuff to you. Okay? So you got where kept that. Does your mom know where those are at? You have shoes you can put on real quick. Have you're not walking barefoot outside. Just don't want you to fall. You have a coat.
Yeah.
It's not cold right now.
You don't care about me. There's no reason why you should be getting a coat. You're a whore.
So this is not her doing. This is not mom's doing. So
You hate me and you can't.
We're gonna go out to the car.
This is not mom's doing. This is us. State picks up.
I'll go out to the car. I don't want anything to do with my parents.
We'll explain more here as a little observation.
Do I go out to the car?
Yeah, we're gonna go out to that cruiser out by in the driveway.
I'm so sorry.
Like I explained earlier, this is not parents doing. This is.
I'm so sorry. I'm gonna have to call.
This is the state charges.
Yes. I can be in.
And
I'm so sorry. I don't have my glasses, so I can't see much outside. I'm so sorry.
Is your glasses in the house?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. I'll take it with me to my room.
Yes, sir. Wait, my glasses should be in there, but I don't know. I can't see. I'm so sorry.
I'll double check it.
Yes, sir. Do I get in?
Yep, just turn around and then.
It's better.
Yep. just like that.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah. No.
Mom was pushing her, but then went through it, and Mom was saying, if I was under the influence of something, trying to get her to the hospital, then to the hospital. And then she was grabbing things, throwing them, then it escalated. She was the first pushing, then she pulled Mom in and started hitting her. So at that point, it's no longer trying to get away. I'm pulling you in to hit you. Mom had scratches.
She didn't mark that for a marijuana.
Yeah, we're marking up for a bitch. Not a whole lot that I can tell. She said she took earlier, like
No alcohol.
no alcohol, marijuana, but nothing like that. So yeah, we'll make sure we mark them 22 for the jail and 57 comments last night.
Dave was asking about that form and stuff like that. Our requirement is to dish off the form because apparently she doesn't want to fill it out right now. The mom.
The victim's
Marshall's
rights.
law stuff. I said, well, we need to do that form now. That's our obligation. So if she wants to refuse, that's fine. We'll mark it up and dish it off. If she wants to do anything else, she can contact the prosecutor, but we'll give her copies
Okay.
and stuff. If that ever comes up again, that's our obligations now. We need to do it.
Yeah.
Either or now. So.
Gotcha.
But all right, I was kind of curious.
All right. Let's step out.
Alright. Sit out.
Sorry.
You gotta kind of scoot out.
There you go.
Not for easy cleaning, not for comfort.
I'm gonna go to that far door.
Have her kind of seat on that bench. It's just
Just sit right there on that bench, okay?
I don't want her to fall. There, that works. Just we'll come grab you here in a second, all right? You don't have to apologize to. We have to go through some paperwork with you. So I did not see your glasses in your bag, unfortunately.
I can't see.
Okay. You nearsighted, farsighted.
I'm here.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna take cuffs off you and then you're just gonna sit in that red chair, okay?
So.
Yes, I'm so sorry I can't see.
Nope, you're okay. I'll see if the other officer can stop by the house and see where would your glasses be at.
They might be upstairs in my bedroom.
Okay. 450. Oh, it could be that red one. Sorry.
That one.
I know you can't see.
I'm so sorry. I'm so
Not sure
sorry.
if you're still in the area, but if you could stop by the house again and see if they have the glasses for this in custody.
Okay, I'm gonna read your rights, okay?
Yes.
Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to advice in presence of a lawyer, even if you cannot afford one to hire one. If you work with a lawyer and you cannot pay for one, you may apply to the court and one will be appointed for you without cost or charge to you. If you wish to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering questions at any time.
Alright. Just kind of a quick question, so a little strange, but I just need to know because we're going to be going to jail here in a minute. So biologically, are you still female?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The reason I'm asking is because they have to do
I
a search
understand.
and they need, that way I can have the appropriate corrections officer down there for that part.
Biological stomachs. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I was born a female.
Okay. I just want to make sure, just so I can explain
No,
it to
I
them.
understand.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
The female was charged with domestic violence. While the female was apprehended by the police for attacking her own mother in an intoxicated condition, our next individual was engaging in similarly dangerous behavior.
It's not anything like even of value, and even if it was, like, I pay back, I don't care.
This incident is centered around a woman. On February 5th, 2024, officers responded to an apartment complex about a disturbance in progress. Call notes indicated that the complainant had locked himself in the bathroom due to the suspect pointing a knife at him. The officers promptly went to the location to investigate. Upon arriving at the scene, the police aimed to talk to the suspects to understand the situation. However, suspects often attempt to mislead the police through their statements to protect themselves. Therefore, after speaking with the victim and obtaining initial information, the police conducted further investigation into the incident to uncover the truth.
What's going on? You heard anything?
Been trying for the neighbors.
Have you heard fighting and stuff, like arguing or whatever?
Hey.
Hey, how you doing? Everything all right?
Yeah, can you come in, please? He was trying to leave me after he drained my savings less than a week ago, saying that I need to be kicked out and leave me with nothing.
I'll check on injuries.
You got a name and everything? Did you run?
Yeah, she's good.
Alright, well, I got the version of events from him. Do you want to tell me from your perspective now what happened?
Basically, it all started last night. We got into an argument. It was about it tends to come up often, the fact that he has a baby mama and he has a child. And it gets kind of rough for me. I'm only 20, he's only 21. You know, they had that baby when they were like 16. So it's a tough situation for a couple of young adults to go through. And I'll admit, I started trash talking, you know, their whole family, his kid and everything, and he got understandably upset. And he like came at me, and I was like, you know, the best way to avoid all this is if I just leave for the night. So I left, I spent the night elsewhere. And he was working today, so I came back while he was at work, and I made him aware I was going to be here when he came home. And I was just hanging down at the lounge by the lake, and I had a couple drinks or whatever. And then he had told me he was home. He brought Panda Express for the both of us, so we ate. And while he was at work, he was like, you know, we can just talk about everything once I'm home. So we ate kind of in silence, you know, real awkward. And after we finished eating, I looked at him and I was like, so can we talk now? Like, what's the deal? And basically, he told me he wanted me out. And I was like, that's not fair. My name's on the lease. And he had a situation with his last landlord where there was a whole bunch of stuff going down and like legal stuff and whatever, and we had to get out. And I drained my entire savings to get us into this place. He didn't have it, so I gave it for him, for us. So I'm like, dude, you're not gonna kick me out of a place with my name on it and leave me with nothing to my name, because he said he called the leasing office and they told him, since I have no credit, I have no income, I've been relying on him our entire relationship. I don't have a job. What?
You didn't want to visit him.
I mean, I can.
Sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
So, if you don't mind, I'll just fill in what you told me.
Yeah.
So, she's saying they were arguing, she did have the knife at her side.
The knife is literally stabbed into a high chair.
Well, she said that she did brandish it at him, but she said basically like if you didn't have your daughter, I would hurt you.
Exactly.
Something to that effect.
Yeah, but I told him specifically I wouldn't hurt him.
And
I made that clear.
She at some point did hold the knife to her own arm and said, if you come towards me, I'm going to hurt myself, something to that effect. And then she started stabbing the items that belong to the child's mother.
Yeah,
Still here.
because they're still here, and this is supposed to be our place, but then there's so much of the past that still sits there. So of course, after everything that happened last night, it still carried over into today, and I was upset, and I was like, you know what?
What kind of stuff is it?
It's like her Christmas decorations. Who cares about that? Come get your go. It's not anything like even of value, and even if it was, like, I'll pay back. I don't care. It literally, I never intended history of like bipolar disorder.
Did you hit him though? Because he's claiming that you were hitting him. I'm assuming that you were upset. You were hitting him. He said you weren't punching him or anything like that. It was more like kind of like going at him like that.
That's what I told her. It was kind of like a beating on his chest. Like, why would you do that to me? It was never intended to like hurt him in the slightest. It's just like, how could you do this to me after everything that I've gone through and done for you? And he's like, I've done way more for you than you ever have for me. And of course that makes me feel less than, because yeah, I have no income. I have no credit. I have no mom, dad, nothing to run back to like he does. So he kind of tries to like put me down, and I was like, how could you do this? And you know, I'm just like beating on his chest, and then he kind of like elbowed me, and it was probably a defense, but he got me good. My lip on the inside.
She tried to show me too. I didn't see anything.
Yeah, I stuffed a paper towel in there and like just kept it in there till the bleeding stopped. I mean, if you look real closely, you can see like dried blood between my teeth, but it's nothing serious. Like I said, it was realistically.
I'm trying to see if this is something we can maybe 329 instead.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
He's just gonna call supervisor and see if we're out there with usually our overall goal in these situations is to get you guys separated. So it's like if we leave and it's kind of on us. Okay, we'll just stay tight. We'll figure it out, okay?
I have nothing. I put everything into getting this place for us.
Okay, well next time, just if he says I'm going to take you out, just ignore it, because he can't. First of all, it's an apartment complex, so the actual people who own the complex will have to go through the whole legal eviction process.
Yeah, it's just, he told me he literally called the leasing office and they were like, yeah, you can kick her out if you want, just call the police and they'll take her. And I was like, what? What did I do to deserve that?
Just for the future, that's not accurate. If you guys are listed on there as roommates, you can't just pick your roommate out, and we don't have the authority to just pull people out.
It's just so messed up. We got a 3-bedroom, one for us, one for the daughter he already has, and we were planning on having a baby together for the third one, but I got really set off last night.
I tried to call Jared, but he's 10-6, I guess. He couldn't answer the phone, but I just wanted to ask about the 33 that I responded to out here at Saddleworth Green. So, it's boyfriend, girlfriend. They've been dating for 7 months. They just recently moved into this apartment together. I guess the two of them had a falling out last night. He said that they would talk when he got home, but you know, essentially that it'd probably be the end of it. It would be better if she found another place to stay. So she slept somewhere else last night. Came back today, hoping that they would talk about it when she got back home. He came home with food for both of them. As soon as they were done eating, they talked about it. And you know what he told her was, you know, the only way to really end, the only real way to resolve the issue, I guess, is to just end it, have you move out, because apparently she said some things about his daughter he didn't like, and he doesn't want to have a relationship with her anymore. She spent all her money on this place, so she got upset. She admitted that she did like kind of hit him in the chest, but it was like kind of like hammer fisting him, like, why, how can you do this to me kind of thing. She did grab a knife. She never threatened him with the knife at all. She threatened herself with the knife. She's got bipolar disorder, and she's got a history of making suicidal comments, according to the boyfriend. He doesn't want to pursue any criminal charges, but I'm thinking definitely 329 if we don't 1015. But it is kind of a domestic thing. So that's
myself and
okay. All right, that's just wanted to run it by you, see if you were, if that was the page we wanted to go with. All right, cool. Thank you. Bye.
Well, maybe that's something we'll look into. You know, not depend on him.
15. Yeah. Do you have the paperwork? The mess of paperwork? I think I might have one. Do you want to just stay 10-12 with him for when we run out? Go grab all my stuff.
Yeah, my receipts are right there.
Is that your phone?
So I can it's hers.
I can take either one if you want. I just don't know what he was saying.
Oh, no, he said it's 15 because it's domestic.
No,
Same thing she said.
Whatever, okay. At 30 minutes,
Sorry?
Hang on 1 second, okay?
So that he
you close
essentially
enough,
got
cats,
home.
feel free.
Last night they had fallen out, just like she said. Exactly like she said. He said that she made some comments about his daughter that he didn't appreciate, and that was when the relationship for him.
Does he have video?
No, he said he's got some text messages that he didn't show me though.
She thought he had video. But either way, I can either stay here with them or I can take it as long as you can just do a statement. But up to you. It's totally your call.
Do you mind?
Which one?
You mind taking it?
No, I just need like whatever.
After discovering all the facts, the police initiate legal proceedings against the suspects. However, the subsequent steps depend on the actions of the suspects.
Exactly what she said. The only difference was, how you doing, sir? I was able to get a hold of Young and I got my question answered. Yeah, and I figured you were 10-6 on something. It's no biggie. Thanks.
Did he say the same thing that she had?
Yeah, so there's a box inside because they had just moved in, so all their stuff's still in boxes. She reached into one of the boxes and then made the comments like as if she wanted to stab him, but she wasn't going to stab him because he had a 3-year-old. Like if it wasn't that, just like she said, if it wasn't for your 3-year-old, I'd be stabbing.
And I assume he was in here.
Yeah, but he said mostly what he was afraid of was just like after that she said she was gonna cut herself, and he knows that she's got like a history of making like suicidal threat comments and stuff like that. He was more concerned for her hurting herself, and then him like hitting her and stuff like that. Obviously, he doesn't want to get in trouble for something that he didn't do. It's a total guy thing. He feels like the guy usually does. He said he did. He put his arms up to keep from getting hit. So she was hitting his arms a lot too. And then he did kind of have to like push her back so that he could lock himself in the bathroom, just like the dispatcher told him to do.
Okay.
So that I'm assuming during something in there she got one, but I don't think he was even intending to hit her.
Okay. Got it. Cool.
And he was already ran 1054 to 1029. He's in the call.
Okay, I'm just gonna look at the.
I told you it was cold. Is there a jacket we can grab for you or something?
Thank you, though.
That's what I meant when I said if you want to grab a shirt or something. I meant like a jacket or...
Yeah, no, that's okay. I'm fine. That was supposed to be my future husband, you know? Embarrassing is this? You guys run into this a lot?
all the time. Unfortunately.
Oh my god. It couldn't be any more unfortunate.
Okay, Miss Maya, can you stand up for me, please?
Yeah.
Need help?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. Alright, go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
Oh, really? He asked for me to be arrested?
No,
Actually, he doesn't want to file any charges against you.
So what's this?
Because it's considered a domestic issue. You guys live together. You guys have been in a relationship for more than 6 months.
But he hit me too. I'm confused.
You attacked him, then. So we go
No,
by
I
primary
didn't.
aggressor. You were the one coming after him by your own statements as well.
But that's not
His statements,
true.
your statement and his statement matched up pretty much perfect.
But I didn't go after him first.
Do you have some shoes or slides or anything you can grab?
In the house, but I didn't go after him first.
Okay, so we're more concerned with the knife, then you may
Zachary, do you know where her shoes are? I know these are yours. There's no way those are her shoes. Do you know if she's got a pair of shoes or sandals or something in here? A jacket?
A jacket?
Something. I mean, she's not going to be able to put it on, but it is kind of chilly out.
Arresting me.
I know.
Zach,
I'm sorry.
when will I get out?
You'll see a judge after first appearance in the morning. They'll let you.
I'm gonna be there till the morning.
Yes, ma'am.
By myself or like with other people?
You'll be with other people if you.
Oh my god. Guys, please, I've never been through anything like this.
We'll make it as easy as possible, okay? You just gotta remain as calm as you can. This is not fun for us either, okay?
And there's no way that I could get out like before the morning?
No, because it's dating violence, so we don't have a choice on that. We're not allowed to set a bond.
It's actually domestic.
Oh, because you live together.
This is so embarrassing.
We're gonna stay on, but on that part, so it'll be out of everybody's view.
I'll do the domestic paperwork and drop it off at the jail to you.
You want these on your eyes?
I would prefer it, yes, thank you. Now that I'm back here, could you take them off? Or put them in the front?
Oh, thank you.
Please, this is so uncomfortable, please. Oh my god. Zach, how could you?
What, are you okay?
No.
You're okay, Maya.
No, I'm not. I can't do this, please. I can't do this. Please. Please don't do this. Yeah, I can find somewhere to go for the night.
Maya, we tried to call a supervisor to avoid this. You have to do it, okay?
What do you mean? We can't wait on the supervisor?
No, like they told us that we were just gonna try and do a Baker Act, and they said no.
I don't want to do a Baker Act, please. Why do I need a Baker Act?
No, I'll do it. I can just give it to jail, right? Yeah. Because it's done. Yeah. Okay.
But I can't just leave on my own?
I will. Thank you.
I can't just leave on my own? Why is that not an option? I can find somewhere to go. I can just get out of here. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but would you...
I don't have a choice when it's domestic.
But it's not domestic. I didn't do anything.
We live together and you're dating.
But there was no violence.
We're just a knife at him.
It wasn't at him. I swear it wasn't. I never wanted to hurt him. I love him.
You can't be grabbing knives and saying stuff like that.
Saying stuff like what? Please, I can't spend the night in jail, please.
I don't know how to tell you that I don't have another option.
But I can't do this. I've never done this before, please. I'm not meant for this, please. This is not who I am. This is who he made me. Why is he not the one here? Is it because he called?
No, it's because you both made statements that you were hitting him and bringing a knife at him.
But I was the one that was bleeding, so how does that make sense?
You don't have any injuries.
You haven't even looked at my teeth.
You looked at it the whole time you were talking.
There's literally dried blood between my teeth. I stopped it from bleeding. I tried to do him a favor and look where he got me.
The woman was charged with domestic violence. While the woman was charged with attacking her boyfriend, our next individual caused a commotion for others.
Step out. Yep, never. Step out. I haven't seen that shit. Okay, they'll fix it.
This incident is centered around a woman. On September 14th, 2023, in Chillicothe, Ohio, officers responded to a call regarding a woman who was on high drugs, causing a lot of commotion for the past few days. The officers rushed to the location to observe further. Upon arrival, the officers noticed the woman was refusing to open the door, which made them more dubious, and they continued with the next step of their procedure.
No, you're fine. What's going on? Okay.
I'm gonna take her out back and show you.
Okay.
She's been hollering at us.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure she's
she's
talking and acting.
What's her name again?
Oh, and back. No, I think it's Heather.
Is it Heather?
Yeah. Well,
that's a new one then, because
I'll look on my phone back there.
Or like something. We've kicked that door before.
I know you have. Keeps throwing stuff out the window. I didn't know she was throwing at us.
Probably. She probably is there now. Hey, how's it going?
That's what doing somehow.
Okay.
Let me look this up my phone.
Okay. Has she been evicted? Very clear.
Yeah.
I mean, was she about to start a fire? No.
Her 30 day or her. See? Her 15 day.
Yeah.
We'll be up Saturday. We served a 3-day yesterday. And now, see, she's been doing this all night.
Mm-hmm. She does.
I'm sure.
She's laying on the ground tapping on the window.
I have a no contact order with her, and what the hell?
I just didn't know how far we need to go to check her well-being.
It's been happening. It's been a thing all night. This has happened all night.
And now she's
My mom told me to tell you that she's on probation.
She's on probation. Yeah, now she's doing sign language. Hello. Also, she might be on probation. Hello.
I'm pretty sure she's on 3-year probation.
Go to station. Clarissa has it. Yeah. Yeah. I'll tell her you're coming, and you can just pull her on back. Okay. All right, bye.
Because she just got out about 2 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
The last time you said it came down, she was running around out front too.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking that she got a 3-year probation.
Hello. So she gets real hopped up on meth and starts throwing stuff out and acting like she's unable to care for herself. Right now she's hanging in the window with a kid's toy, but she's like on the ground. And then she was acting like she's doing sign language. So we've hit the door before because she had her kids at the time, but I don't know if probation can do something. The neighbors are saying she's been acting like this for a couple days. Yeah, I think Chris just took a report for her. She's mentally unstable. On top of she gets hyped up on meth.
That's what I told you she was playing with last night. I said she was gonna cut it and hurt herself.
She just threw some sign language at me.
With a toy.
I don't even know if it's real sign language, but
It's not. It's a toy flopping around.
we've dealt with this before. And like I said, I've hit the door before, but she had her kids at the time.
Cheers, Paul Mac G.
So I don't know if we can maybe get her on probation. They can come drug test her, or yeah, she's supposedly on probation for 3 years since her last charge.
I don't know if
Okay. Like,
I don't know if you're allowed to or not.
so she's.
Does she have work today?
Has she? Have you seen her throw stuff? Okay. Because I mean, there's blankets and stuff out here, and now she has like a toy. That's a toy gun, like a toy punch thing.
I know I had a neighbor go in last night, and he had to take bikes and stuff from it.
Who did?
There's a guy that drives around. He was inside with her yesterday because she was banging and screaming all night.
Okay.
And when he came back, when I saw him this morning, he said that he had to take a bunch of knives from her and all this. She had a whole big ass thing on her cabinet. Yeah, she was doing that for like 5-6 hours last night.
Yeah.
Before we fell asleep.
So wasn't she like doing?
Whoa.
Wasn't she like doing better?
She was. I thought she was doing better for a couple days.
Yeah.
She wasn't talking out of her neck or nothing like that. But then all of a sudden she started doing it again.
So you think she's got high and went back to?
I think that's exactly what it is.
Yeah. Oh, well, we're gonna see what we can do. It's not looking like she's gonna live here much longer. She's acting like this.
I guess there's a 3-day notice on her report.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I heard she had to make. I heard she got another 3 days of this.
Okay. So it's on the way. Make sure she don't leave. Yeah, no problem. We'll see what we can do. We're waiting on probation. I come with the key, see if it's open. She's lighting the window with the lighter. I mean...
Oh.
Really?
Come on, David.
Yeah.
What?
Are you available?
Yep.
I am. I was headed to the
Higher.
juvenile call. It looks like 46 or something.
Yeah, she got the deadbolt on. He's coming with the key.
Okay.
I just don't want her to catch the house on fire. Yeah. Hey, did they fix that?
It's the back. It's gonna be easy.
Did they fix this?
We already fixed that.
Yeah. It's pretty fixed.
Good job.
If he can like speed over here,
I threatened him if it went through.
well, we can't really wait. Come downstairs.
Now! Where? Need your damn support. Oh, these doors are like solid, bro.
Yeah.
Be nice if we had a ram.
We do.
Not their cars.
No.
I said be nice if we had one
It's
of their
moving.
cars. I know it's moving. It's the deadbolt. Yeah.
Yeah. We can't really wait when she's lighting the window, man. Or I would.
Oh, I didn't know that's what you did.
Yeah. If she catches the house on fire and we're down here watching her flip the come out!
Yeah, what for some?
There you go. There you go. Come on now! Let's go!
Not that way. We made entry.
In such cases, suspects often hide themselves to evade confrontations. Let's see if she did something similar.
Come down the stairs!
Okay.
Yeah.
Doing ignorant shit. Negative, I got it open. So you need another person in here, probably. Ready?
Yeah.
Kids inside.
There's a kid?
I heard a kid inside.
Is your kid with you? The people, do you have tattoos? Did you do this to me? Yep. Blow this house up, ma'am.
Who wants to blow the house up? You're trying to catch it on fire. Open and breathe.
Breathe. I can't sit here. Why? That's all that's on my arm. So raw. We the people.
Is there any kids here? Where's your kids at? Your dad?
Yes, we.
Are they with your dad?
Hey, did you lie on Dad? Never, we the people. Okay.
Where are the people? Yep.
It's clear to your face. I would never do it to your face, girl.
During the procedure, the officers were quite surprised by the suspect's activities. However, for the well-being of society, the officers take steps in accordance with the law.
Is he walking outside still? Johnny? Luke, walk on me now. I'll walk this way if you walk this way too.
Keep going.
No.
Yes.
Hey. Okay. No, that's alcohol and stuff, so I smell gas here. Yes. Where's that? Okay, eggs.
Door the camera.
She barricaded it.
Yeah,
She barricaded it.
Without.
Come on.
Say that. Why? She barricaded it. Yeah.
And then recased all this.
Never.
How much have you?
Never. My broken heart lives here.
Come on.
The Pope lives here. Pope lives here. Right. Chopstick. Let go of me, sir. Hey, ma'am. Hey. Yeah. My wine here lives here. Let go of me, sir.
No.
Hey, zombie? Yeah.
I guess.
I guess. Yep. Let go of me, sir. Now, you don't have a power. I have no Jeeps. I have no Jeep black card. I have your uniform. David Watt. Got lies on me. Yep. I guess. Hey, did you know lies on me? Never. You people. Hey, did you guard me? Yes. Zombie. Never. No lies on me. Where's the bread? Why? I have those in here.
Because we have a maintenance in Lakewood, but they decided it's better to put it here for some reason.
Shut up.
Just being lazy.
People
Step
step
out.
Yep, never.
Step out.
I haven't seen that shit.
Okay, they'll fix it. I'll get you a pad. Step out.
Never. I'll wait here for Morningstar.
Morningstar? He's not here. Told you that last time. But I'd rather people not touch you and stuff, so if you can just get out so they don't have to put their hands on you. You got to.
Let's pick that fridge. Ellen. Jimmy's up. Some lunch.
Step out, please. Right foot, left foot. Step out, please. You got this.
One copy. Okay. That's what you get.
There you go.
But
Give me your baby. I'll put that in your property.
no, never.
Huh? Walk in here. Hey, I'll walk behind you. I'll give you plenty of room to walk. I need you to go in here. Come on. They'll take care of you. They'll get you some water. Come on. Come on. Huh? Come on. Stop touching. See? Come over here. Come on. Come on. I need you to come over here. We the people. Well, Morningstar's not here. We the people. Okay, we the people can be in here. We the people are going inside of here. Okay. Here, want to have some? Yeah. We the people. Yeah. They're going to ask your information. You got plans to harm yourself or anyone else? No, never? That's good. You have any medical or mental conditions that need to be addressed? Huh? Do you have one? What is it? I have one. What's wrong? Raise it to my kids. Okay. Well, let's take care of you before you can take care of your kids. And here's one. She's here on her persisting. Okay. Also, she tried to set her house on fire.
I don't know if you remember me, but I need you to listen to Miss Bragdon, okay?
I have eyes here.
Alright, go ahead and stand up for me.
She got sure last night.
No.
No.
I need you to listen to Miss Bragdon,
You're lucky
okay?
she's got any of that on.
Miss Bragdon. Right up to the window, please.
Red. Hey.
Right up to the window.
Oh, yeah?
What? Just a little further. There you go. Perfect.
We the people.
No.
We the people.
You can't have it. You're right.
That's her. That's her. What?
Don't take cuffs off, okay? Put your hand right here for me. Right there, perfect.
Right here. That's her. So weird.
This one? Right here. I'm not going to cover you. I'm not going to cover you. See? Your hands right here, okay? Yep, right there. Perfect. Lift your hair up, okay?
She said something about having a tampon in.
She said tampon string. I don't.
She did say, I mean, that would, in my mind, think she had a tampon in. She said, can you pull my tampon string?
I heard her say that and I ignored it.
No, you didn't. You responded back.
Oh, did I?
The only thing I'm doing is pulling hair in the room.
Oh.
We're going to go body scan you, okay?
Is she blind now? Is she blind? No.
Come on.
We'll fix it.
She was giving me a sign language.
You've done this before. You know how it works.
Her house. Did she try to catch on fire?
My leg's tired. Very case for the door.
The woman was charged with domestic violence. She also got evicted, and her probation was extended longer. While the woman engaged in unnecessary turmoil due to her actions, our next individual showed complete stubbornness due to her intoxicated nature and received the fitting consequences.
You can arrest me if you want.
I won't be doing that, but can I have your name at least? Judith. Judith.
You don't know my name. You don't know my name.
A woman named Judith takes center stage in this incident. On July 2nd, 2023, in Las Cruces, New Mexico, officers responded to a call from a neighbor regarding a woman who hit a light pole and crashed a car into the neighbor's house. They rushed to the location to locate the woman. Upon arrival, as the officers were questioning the neighbor, they noticed Judith. While interacting with her, they observed Judith's unstable movements and disjointed conversation, which raised concerns for the officers.
She's right there?
Yeah.
Okay, where did she hit your house?
It's over there in the corner.
In the corner? Okay.
Yeah.
Hello. How's it going, ma'am?
Good. You know what?
Are you okay?
Yeah. Are you okay?
I am.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure, you know, it seems like you did get into a motor vehicle accident. I want to make sure you're not stumbling or anything.
You know what? I'm fine.
Okay. That is good to hear.
You know what? Leave. You can leave.
I can leave?
And guess what? I'm fine.
I can't do that, ma'am. Okay.
Well, really?
Can I get your driver's license?
No.
How come? Can I at least get your name, ma'am?
No.
No date of birth, no nothing?
You know what? Yes. You can have my and you can arrest me if you want.
I won't be doing that, but can I have your name at least? Judith. Judith.
You don't know my name.
Hmm?
You don't know my name.
Were you to her, sir?
You know what, Sosa? You don't know my name.
Do you know if she's been drinking?
Yeah, she has.
No, I haven't. No, I haven't. No, I haven't. You know what? You know what? You can ask him. No, I haven't.
Judith, can you tell me what happened here?
The lady saw it.
You know what?
I'll just be statement from her if I'm able to.
You know what? I was outside when the accident happened. Somebody had brought down the lights. It wasn't her.
In such incidents, suspects often refuse to provide their credentials and avoid confrontation. Sometimes, when they are in a state of altered consciousness, suspects reveal their worst side during these processes. Such behavior could surprise the officers. Consequently, the officers must take the necessary action to handle the situation.
I was outside reporting the light when she came and hit the house.
511 Central, do we have a patrol unit? 76 to my 20. 10-4, driver is 47. And she hit all the way down there?
Yeah, with the first house.
Okay, the very first house. Do you know where the car is?
It's in the house.
It's in the house?
Well, practically.
Do you know if anyone was injured over there?
Nobody
She
got
hit
hurt.
the corner of the garage.
Yeah, the corner of the garage.
Okay. She's right there, boss. She's being real fun.
It's our house. It's okay. It's our house. Yeah.
They understand.
Really? Yes, I am. You know what? You really? You are really gonna arrest me? Okay.
I know this is kind of hard.
No, but she needs it. She's out of control.
Do you mind walking?
Hey, guess what?
Do you mind walking?
I am not gonna fight.
Go ahead and sit down for now, okay?
Stop.
What you going?
Stop.
So you can see, man.
Stop.
Just talk to the firefighters, okay?
Whatever. You know what?
Yeah. We got a good FU out of here. We're asking.
You know what?
Control medic 13.
You know
We're
what?
going to Memorial.
All right, we're gonna stand you up, okay? Okay, on the count of 3, we're gonna stand up. 1, 2, 3.
You know what?
There you go.
You know what? 151.
Yeah, we're gonna take her anyways, probably at NMC.
No.
But we're gonna stand by for now for like asbestos.
No, please. Don't be so mean to me.
We're not being mean.
I know.
Huh?
I know.
Do you have anything on you, ma'am?
No.
No?
No.
Okay, yeah, I'll send another officer over there.
Okay.
It's gonna be a lot.
You know what? You know what, sir?
Huh?
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm
Okay. Just go ahead and take a seat, okay?
You know what? I am so sorry.
Are you sure you don't want you don't want any medical attention?
No.
Okay.
You know what?
Go ahead and sit down for now, okay?
I am so sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
You know what, sir?
Try to move your feet a little bit, okay?
You would have to talk to the patrol officers.
Well, they put cuffs on her this morning, likely.
Well, they could just be detaining her, but I don't know. Once we're done with all her her information from there. You can go ahead and check.
They either arrest her or put her in jail.
Hello. Can you tell me what happened, what you heard at least?
Well, I was actually in the bathroom looking at the camera because I saw the person that hit the stop sign. And then, as I was watching the camera, I saw this happen on the camera. I saw the lady she just came barreling down.
So you have footage of it?
Yeah.
Do you mind? Is it saved? Do you have to screen record it or something?
I don't know. Here, Said I'll call you right back. I hope it caught because I was watching it while it crashed. They have the camera. They have the footage too. I thought it was the same car too. Is it the same?
Do you guys have footage of it as well? Okay. Do you mind getting that for me?
They live in that house.
I'm gonna go ahead and send you an evidence link. Okay. Just click the link, and if you could submit those videos.
So what does that? I have to get a police report to get an insurance claim then?
I'll be making the report. Okay. So all this will be on the report, and then if you upload the video footage, that will be in the report as well.
Hey, you know what, you guys? Hey, you know what? You have a kid. You know what?
Come on outside.
Stop. You know what?
No,
Stop.
don't do that.
No, let's not do this. You know what? Don't kill me.
Okay, what?
You know what? Just leave me here in the grass.
Look, let's go ahead and step outside, okay? It's okay.
Senor.
Man, don't kick him. Please don't kick him.
No.
It's a whole different story.
You know what? I would never. You know why? Because I love God with
love God
all
too.
my heart.
God loves you. It's okay.
Don't. You know what?
It's alright.
You know what?
And you know what? I do have children. It's okay.
Yeah, you know what?
Look over here. Let's go this way.
You know what? Please.
It's okay.
Please. Please don't hurt me.
It's okay. It's okay.
Please don't hurt me.
Come on, let's go. It's okay. That's not
You
being
know
silly.
what? You know what? Please don't. You know what? Please don't hurt me.
No, this is.
Okay, you know what? Okay.
No.
You know what? Okay, you know what? Just let me go. Just let me go. I will never let me go. I want to die. You know what? Hey, you know what? No!
Just sit here right here. Sit down, okay? Oh.
You know what?
Jesus Christ.
You know what?
Alright, look, man, if you don't stop, we're gonna put you in a rap, alright?
You know what? You killed me. You know what?
You're gonna put in a rap, dude?
And guess what? My husband. You know what?
Go put it back in the private.
No! You know what? Stop! You have kids!
Look.
You have kids! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh, let's not do that.
986 to a unit with the wrap.
I have a rap. This is another unit.
22. We need 1 unit for application of wrap.
You know what? Help me.
Hey, with the rap. It's in my car.
Do you want me to 22? Do
No, I have the rap in my car.
you want me to 22 on the extra unit?
Turn around.
What's your name? Adonis. Hey, guess what?
Sit down.
Sit down.
Thank you.
I got you.
Hey, sit down.
Lay back for me. Let's get you inside where it's cool.
Yeah.
You know what?
Go ahead and sit down.
You need to sit down.
It's okay.
You know what?
You need to sit down.
Bring your feet up on the bed, please.
You know what? What is your first name?
Hey.
Stop it.
You know what?
There you go.
You know what?
Don't be doing that. Don't be doing that.
Don't kick. Don't kick.
You know what?
Hey, one more and let's bring in the rap.
Look, we really don't want the wrap is right there, I think.
Let me go.
It's like,
You know what?
Is this the med clearance?
yeah, med clearance. UWI.
You know what? You know what? I'm not in a crash.
We're gonna stop.
You know what? I'm not in a crash. Hey!
Hey, help
It's
me.
okay.
You know what? Help me! Hey!
You need to really stop screaming. There's
You know
people
what?
in here. Yeah, I think we should.
Yeah, let's wrap.
You know what? I hope someday that they bring your kid in like this. You know what? I hope that they bring your kid in like this. You mother.
So we can get it registered real quick. I'm gonna talk to you.
Okay, you got her.
You know what?
You need to stop.
Hey, guess what? Hey, guess what?
Huh?
Hey, guess what? You know what?
Hey, here's your
You know
keys.
what? They are gonna bring.
Don't get out of the bed. Don't get out of the bed.
You know what? You know what? You can unwrap.
Yes.
Stay right there. Okay.
You know what? I am gonna. I'm gonna you.
I didn't even know you. What did I do?
You know what? Take this off me. Hey, you know what?
Stop, or we're gonna put you in a full thing, and you're not gonna be comfortable. Respect them. Let them get you out of here, and we'll be done.
Okay.
Okay?
I will.
Stop yelling. Stop screaming.
Yeah. Well,
Okay?
I will.
Thank you. Hey, what did I just say?
No.
Sit back. Sit back. I'll show you respect, so you show me respect.
Okay.
All right, ma'am. We have to put this on.
No.
Okay? It's just gonna clean you up.
No. You know what? No.
There we go. That's it. Just take a couple seconds and cool down. You're cool with us? We'll take it off. Hey.
Stop. Stop.
Take it off of me now. Take it off of me now. Take it off of me now.
If you're no more screaming.
Take
okay?
it off of me.
Look, we have people
now.
sleeping here. It's okay.
Take it off of me now. You know what?
Take her off or throwing her out.
Okay.
What'd you say? Take it off of her and throw her out?
No, that's not what he said.
Yes, that is what
I tried being very respectful to you, and I
You
still
know what? You know what?
You're not
You know what? My grandson is a police officer, and I just told him. I just told him what's happening to me right now.
fine.
And you know what? You better let me go. You better let me go.
I don't know about that one.
No need to scream.
Let me go.
Go, let off. We'll let you go right now. Come on.
Let's go.
Stop.
Okay, now we have to have you go on your stomach, okay? Go ahead and go to your stomach. We don't want you to get hurt.
Watch your head. You're good right there.
Okay? You need to help yourself. Nobody's going to do anything for you until you stop.
Let's go back to you. MBA. Yeah, she was a drunk driver. She just needed a clearance.
You know what? You know what? You are hurting me.
Well, because you're doing this to yourself.
You are hurting me.
And you're bringing that on yourself because you won't cooperate.
You know what? You are hurting me.
That's fine. We're going to continue to hurt you if you don't stop.
You are.
Then you gotta stop. Lay there, quit
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Perfect. Bingo. Perfect. Then.
You know what?
986 Central. Could you log a wrap deploy?
Can I call my husband? Not right now because you are under. No, that's the issue. No, that's. I can call my husband.
You gonna get your phone call when we're going to jail, man. Okay? You get your phone call over there. Not right now. We're doing just fine in the car. Why'd you get all mad?
You know what? Take this off.
I'll take care of it here in a
You're
bit.
kicking everyone.
She was the driver.
Yeah, she was the driver. She drove off the road onto the sidewalk, hit a light pole, and then jumped the curb, hitting a house.
Okay, and how much damage to her vehicle?
The front was like completely like demolished, like in the engine area.
She walked out though and tried to go and walk the house.
Yeah, that's why.
Did you let the airbags go off?
Yeah, like where the steering wheel airbag and one of the side panels, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take these coughs off of me. Take them off.
Negative, man.
Thank you.
Hold on. This is a little crazy.
You know what? You know what? Take it off. Please. Ah! You aren't even a f***ing Mexican. What the f*** are you? What the f*** are you? Huh? Huh? You're a f***ing wannabe. Piece of shit. You're nothing but Hey, you! Hey, that's what you are. A wannabe. Huh? You're even a. You're a wannabe. Huh? You're a wannabe. And you wannabe mexicano. You know what you are? You know what you are? You're a piece of shit. You know what you are?
That kind of language isn't going to be very
Whatever.
polite, okay?
You know what? Okay.
No, listen.
You know what?
No.
You know what? Take my mask off, or I'm gonna keep telling you what the you are. Cause you know what? You're nothing but a.
If you're gonna be a little more cooperative,
Okay, you're.
stuff. Okay.
You know what? You're.
In that case, we're gonna keep it on. Okay.
You know what? You better take this shit off. And you know what? I will let you guys go. I'm not. You know what? I know Jess Lily.
I don't know who Lily is now.
Oh, shut the up. You know who Jess Lily is.
I know no idea.
Oh, shut the up. You know what? He is kin to me.
You just stop.
You know what?
You want to act your age?
He is kin to me. And so, you know what? You better let me go. Because you know what?
I'm sure he's a wonderful individual, but I don't think he'd appreciate the way you're acting at this moment. Okay.
Call him, and ask him if he knows Judy.
I don't know.
You Mexicano, you piece of shit.
You
know what? You are.
Your driver's license
You know
says
what?
that you're Hispanic. And so
You
did
know
that lady.
what? You know what? I am puro white.
Look.
You know what?
I understand that you're upset, but there's no
You
need
know
for
what?
that kind of talk. Okay.
You know what? I'm sorry, sir. You know what? Was I bad to you? You know what? Why don't you call my number? Why don't you call my mom?
Your mom?
You know what? Yeah, call her and ask if I'm white Mexicano. You know what? Go ahead. You take this off of me.
Look, in a few minutes, if you're more cooperative and you're not acting up, then we'll take everything off. Okay.
Okay.
But the way you're acting right now, it's unacceptable.
My godchild. You know what? He's in the military. And you know what? And he's a cop.
Oh, really? What's his name?
You. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to him. I'm gonna kill you.
Bro.
Like,
You're giving everyone a headache here.
No, you know what? I'm gonna.
You're gonna have a headache by now.
Yes, ma'am. You know what? You know what? My face will be the last thing you see. I will kill you. You know what? My son, he is in the cartel, and
What's your son's name?
You. You know what? You will find out. And him, you will find out.
Him what?
You'll find out. You know what? You with the wrong family. You my face will be the last face.
All I see is a spit face on your face.
Okay. Morales.
Morales?
Do you know that name? You the wrong family.
Judith was charged with aggravated DWI and resisting arrest. For more videos about criminals, hit the subscribe button.